Most people don't even realize they're manifesting backwards. They set clear intentions. They visualize every morning. They say all the affirmations. They study the law of attraction, listen to podcasts, meditate, journal, and do the inner work. On the surface, they're doing everything that sounds right. But their energy? It's in reverse. Subtly, silently, sabotaging the very reality they're trying to call in. Welcome to Manifestramind, where we don't chase, we align. Here's the truth most won't tell you. The majority of people try to manifest from the gap. From the emotional and energetic space between where they are and where they want to be. They unknowingly create from a vibration of lack while convincing themselves they're creating from vision. They focus so much on what's missing, the money, the love, the health, the recognition, that their thoughts, feelings, and actions begin to amplify that very absence. Their focus becomes a magnifying glass for what's not yet here, rather than a channel for what's already unfolding. They're saying, I want more, but emotionally vibrating, I don't have it. They're visualizing the future, but anchoring themselves in doubt. They're affirming abundance, but carrying the energetic weight of scarcity. And so they stay stuck in a loop of near misses, delays, and energetic contradictions. They do more and receive less. They chase harder and attract slower. They try to impress the universe with effort, not realizing the universe isn't impressed. It's tuned. That's what backward manifestation looks like. Because manifestation doesn't happen when you obsess over the lack. It happens when you embody the result. The universe doesn't reward desperation. It mirrors frequency. Always. Not what you say, but what you signal. You don't manifest by needing. You manifest by knowing. So what's the fix? You flip the script. You stop projecting your desire as something distant and start relating to it as something already present within you. You begin with the end in mind and heart. You emotionally live in the outcome. You feel it before it happens. You speak like someone who's already living it. You move through your day as if it's unfolding exactly as you've intended, because energetically it is. You ask, what version of me already has this? And then you let that version take the lead. Instead of, I hope it works, you affirm, it's already happening. Instead of, when will it arrive? You shift into, I'm becoming the person who receives it with ease. You don't wait for the evidence. You become the evidence. You embody the frequency before the form. You carry the emotion before the outcome. You feel the gratitude, the confidence, the peace. Now. Because the universe doesn't operate on your calendar, it responds to your current, and when you vibrate as the version of you who already knows, already trusts, already expects, life rearranges, circumstances shift, people reflect your new frequency, and momentum builds. Suddenly, you're not reaching for your vision, you're realizing it, you're remembering it, you're receiving what you were always a match for. This is how you flip your manifestation energy forward, from craving to knowing, from forcing to flowing, from waiting to welcoming. Don't wait for things to show up before you feel worthy. Feel worthy, and the things will find you. Don't chase the outcome. Become the energy. Because once you align, the manifestation becomes inevitable. Repeat, trust, receive, and remember, your mind is the portal.